Well, good morning. This is Dave Jones with Storm Center Communications and GeoCollaborate. This is a update on the tropics for October 6th. We are finally doing an update on Tropical Storm Philippe, which has now become post-Tropical Storm Philippe. We do these updates for the All Hazards Consortium Sensitive Information Sharing Environment to keep the team of members apprised of any impacts to the United States that tropical systems may have. That could expand in the future to wildfires and other type of emergency response based on environmental conditions. But what you can see now, it's very difficult to discern Tropical Storm Philippe because it's really become post-tropical. That's meteorological jargon for it's kind of lost its tropical characteristics, low core center with thunderstorms wrapping around the center. Now it's kind of spread out. And you can see here, this from my cursor is the remnants of Philippe. And it's turning into a post-tropical storm or extratropical storm. It's still forecast to make its way to the north and take a curve to the northwest and impact the state of Maine. So let me show you this full screen and show you what's going on. There's a lot of dynamics from a meteorological perspective going on. This is Philippe. There's an approaching frontal system generating showers throughout the mid-Atlantic all the way down to the Gulf Coast. This rotating low pressure up here is going to actually draw Philippe in to the state of Maine, and that's why we're concerned about some heavy rain this weekend, particularly on Sunday. You can see this big ocean storm swirling here, generating huge waves in the North Atlantic. But let me switch over to GeoCollaborate and show you what it looks like. So this is the path, the forecast path. It's the last advisory from the National Hurricane Center. And you can see these S's in white. That means post-tropical storm forecast. But what's important is that Philippe still has winds with it. These are 50-mile-an-hour winds extending mainly to the eastern edge, eastern side of the storm. And as it's forecast to move to the north, you can see the winds are still forecast to remain mainly on the easterly side of this system, but still experience, there's a potential to experience 40 to 50 mile per hour winds, particularly in northeastern Maine. The other big story here for the state is the rainfall expected. So the National Weather Service Storm Weather Prediction Center is predicting moderate to heavy rain at times, and this is the potential for excessive rainfall. So anywhere you see this yellow, there is a chance of localized heavy flooding that could impact driving. There are still a lot of leaves. It's a fall foliage season up in the state of Maine and Vermont and New Hampshire. Those leaves are going to come down and create clogged sewer drains, so that could build up water as well. And so we're looking at localized flooding and local gusty winds that could still bring down some branches. So that looks like it's it for the update for Philippe, post-tropical storm Philippe. We do these updates when tropical systems do impact or forecast to impact the United States for the All Hazards Consortium Sensitive Information Sharing Environment. Also, we can share information across state borders and between private and public sector organizations. So that's it for this update. There won't be any other update on Philippe unless conditions warrant. So have yourself a good Columbus Day weekend. Thanks for watching.